not gonna hide it, I'm not gonna lie. I know you can see it. What your guy is
coming up on today's vlog.
You see it? Yeah.
What do you say?
Yeah. Good morning.
My mother-in-law gave me an egg maker for Christmas, and we joked that I'll never have a reason to use an egg maker because I just don't cook that much egg.
Why are you always on that face?
Or is it right there? Yeah. So anyways, good morning guys, good morning. The reason why my face is all done up is because I went back and I was watching an older video and I just look younger, I look more refreshed, I look more put together, and I was like, okay, I got potential, you know what I mean? I got potential, so I got up and put on what little foundation I do have upstairs, you know, and just nothing major, just, you know, cover up the dark spots and the scars from the acne and all that. And I feel good. I feel good. When I'm all put together, I feel great. So, good morning, Dirty Butt. Good morning. So, anyways, we're going to go drop off hubby's car because it's going to Ford to get worked on. And then he's going to drive my truck for Monday and Tuesday, and then we're going to pick up his truck back on Tuesday because I have to take the kids to school on Wednesday. So that's the plan for today. Good morning, guys.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
Okay, guys, there go my deviled eggs. They turned out good. Honey, you want to come try them? Robin's going to try it.
I made them.
No, I made this.
I know what they taste like.
No, you boiled the eggs.
Yeah, and I seasoned them.
No, you didn't.
I did.
Moment of truth.
That means I have 100.
It's pretty good.
Yay.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. There's no more. That deviled egg was delicious. Delicious. So, we're gonna, yes, baby. We're gonna go get out of here. I got the keys. Oh, it's fine. Y'all just clean that up and keep it. Maddie, let's go. Oh, you already started my car, honey? Thank you. Put Maddie in for me. I want to switch Maddie around to I want to switch Maddie around to
Please do it, do it, do it, do it.
to
Do it.
I want to switch her around. I should, right now. I have to unhook and then we'll do that later because the seat has to be reconfigured and stuff. We'll do it later. I just got Girl Scout cookie. The only Girl Scout cookie we love are Thin Mints, and they're so good. So I share with hubby and the kids, and then I have one little pack. It was like 5 for $20, and I was like, if I get $5 of cookies, there is no way I'm not gonna sit around eating cookies all day long. So I just got one box, which is like $4.
Where are they going?
So we're at Tractor Supplies right now. Bulk discounts. Buy more and save more. Oh, over there, because they have the outdoor stuff. So I saw some farmhouse decor here. I'm definitely coming back. But anyways, I'm gonna go put my belt on and eat my cookie. We should have been potty training today, but I get lazy. I just slap a diaper on her. This is her fun. Is this your fun, Mommy? Yeah. Did you say hi to the sunshines? Come say hi. Come say hi. Say hi, guys. You tired? No? Oh, be careful.
Jump, Maggie, jump.
Hubby and I are drinking mate.
Yes. I know a lot of people are going to be like, what the hell is mate?
Cheers to mate.
Google it.
Yeah.
It's good.
We're home. It took me a nice nap. Hubby and I napped like we never napped before. Maddie was jumping on me, and I'm just like, I'm gonna take this nap. Like, I was so tired. I was so tired. So I took me a little nap. So we were sitting around. It's been a quiet Saturday. Very, very quiet. we didn't do much more than drop off his car. And we're supposed to pick it up midweek. And we went and got some taco de lengua. Yeah, I love taco, cow tongue. I love cow tongue. And we were able to stop at the taco bar and get some tacos. And I'm like, I enjoyed that. It was like, so good. But anyways, guys, I'm going to close out the vlog here because we're not doing anything else. It's just a chill Saturday. I'm going to drink my mate with my husband and just hang out now. And, yeah, so I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Thank you guys for hanging out with me today. As always, if you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button somewhere on the screen and become a sunshine. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.